Each card will come from a specific set of cards. You can usually find the set the card is from on the back. Although if the set itself isn't listed, there should be a number of other ways to tell what set the card is from, such as the manufacturer's logo or other text on the card. Here you can see a Shohei Ohtani card from the 2024 Topps Series 1 baseball set. The name of the set is on the back of the card here. Here we have a Victor Wembanyama card from the 2023 to 24 Panini Prism basketball set. The name of the set is on the back of the card here. Here is a Patrick Mahomes card from the 2023 Panini Prism football set. The name of the set is on the back of the card here. Now, the set name for this Kylian Mbappe card is not printed on the card. In this case, we can use the manufacturer's logo and name, the year, and the logo of the competition. Using all of this information, we can work out that this is a Kylian Mbappe card from the 2023 to 24 Topps UEFA Club competition set.